Thank you, Joyce and JM, for this birthday cake. I really appreciate it. Praying for you both. God bless. And
I wish we could have
family and family relationship, and happy family with good health and long life for all of us, and wishing our family to have all the happiness in life, and that we will be guided by God always, whatever we do, wherever we go, that God would always keep us safe, and may it be anything or everything that we do, and should be according to God's will, that we will become good Christians, good followers of Jesus Christ, and God will always be the center of our life.